past 5 weeks we've been doing Spraoi.
We get to do a bunch of different activities.
My favourite thing was the music because you just could have pressed anything and it just sounded nice.
The green screen, it makes it like invisible. You can choose an image that you want.
You get these pictures things and you can move them around and then you take a picture and they're pretty good.
So Digital Creative Lab, we would go out and do workshops for primary schools, secondary schools, community groups. So we do digital fabrication, electronics, coding, anything that we could like bring kids together with technology maybe they haven't used before. We've been working with these two schools the last 5 weeks, Killygordon National School and Gleneely National School. We've got stop motion animation, we've got green screen and we've got garage band. They can let loose, they can actually have a bit of fun, but they're also can like chat to each other within the smaller groups as well.
We're making a stop motion animation and
It's about Febreze.
yeah, Febreze.
About recycling Febreze into general waste bin.
This is part of the PEACEPLUS funding model, and it's about bringing schools together from different communities here in Killygordon.
It's about you have to put food into the compost instead of like the recycling bin. You can put it out in your garden and it will help the grass grow.
STEAM is STEAM, that's science, technology, engineering, art and maths. So it's very much project based.
You've got art involved with it too. If you're going to do a design, you're going to be bringing in a wee bit of art. If you're going to like engineer a bridge, you have to bring in a bit of art.
And then the technology, which I just find amazing. I feel like a dinosaur compared to some of the kids. Just the use of apps, and they're way ahead of me. So I'm just trying to catch up with the kids.
I enjoyed the music and making my own rap.
Well, it was great when they came in and both schools were here together, and it was totally inclusive. All the children got to be involved. We learnt about recycling, pollution. It was amazing to see what the kids actually knew.
When I first came into school, I didn't know anybody and I felt nervous.
You have to like talk to each other to know what to do, and you have to communicate a lot.
What's really nice about this has been like over 5 weeks. The children started off quite nervous, quite anxious, but now you can see them at the end of 5 weeks and they're flat out talking, laughing. Like just the noise behind me is fantastic, and it really does take that time.
I had never met anyone from Killygordon before, so it was interesting to like see how it would go.
It was different at first, but then we started to do new stuff, new projects every week. I felt like more that we were like starting to become friends.
To have an opportunity just to mix and to talk and find out what they have in common, and then we get to play outside in the playground, and they've got a lovely red tractor slide which we've really appreciated.
They were excited to see something new. They knew we were coming with all our equipment, all our expertise. We made sure we to tell them that it's a bit of fun, it's nothing too serious, and it really shows now after 5 weeks of what we can do and what Project Agus can do. Bringing the two schools together, bringing different groups of kids together that maybe wouldn't have spoke, wouldn't have met before, and now after 5 weeks they're leaving as friends.